Cabinet painting services with 5-star painting of Tampa Bay. Want a 5-star kitchen without the 5-star price? Cabinet painting transforms your space for significantly less than replacement. Here's what you should know about professional cabinet painting. Save thousands with cabinet painting. New cabinets can drain your renovation budget quickly. Cabinet painting saves you thousands while achieving that brand new look. Your existing cabinets get a complete makeover without the hassle of a full remodel or construction mess. Cabinet painting delivers remarkable value for homeowners seeking kitchen updates. Our 7-step cabinet painting process. Quality cabinet painting follows a careful, proven process. Our team removes doors and hardware, then cleans and prepares every surface. Your cabinets receive expert priming and painting techniques that ensure a flawless, long-lasting finish you'll love. Cabinet painting requires professional expertise for truly exceptional results. Finding your perfect cabinet color. Cabinet painting transforms your kitchen through colors that reflect your unique style. Our consultants listen to understand your vision before offering suggestions. Your preferences guide our process as we explore options that complement existing elements. We'll discuss how lighting affects colors and which finishes best meet your needs. Selling your home? Paint your cabinets first. Smart homeowners paint cabinets before listing their property. Fresh cabinet painting makes kitchens stand out to potential buyers. Your relatively small investment in cabinet painting can significantly increase your home's appeal and help it sell faster. Cabinet painting attracts serious buyers immediately and very effectively. Ready for a kitchen transformation? Call 5-Star Painting of Tampa Bay at 813-534-6775 for your free cabinet painting estimate. Experience 5-star quality without the 5-star price.